Hi, in this video we're gonna look at the roar audio effect, a really versatile sound shaping tool built into Live 12. Now what may sound like a mythical creature from the depths of the ocean is actually a pretty harmless looking sine wave hyped up by the roar audio effect. So let me quickly walk you through this transformation. We can start off at the input by pushing the drive and tone control against the saturation stages. So at the first saturation stage, I automate the clipping waveform profiles at regular grid intervals to get this crazy glitching effect. I then introduce another stage of saturation as a parallel band. Offsetting the bias amount gradually morphs the clipping distortion. And so I immediately set this parameter to oscillate slowly but arbitrarily. Now to truly bring out the monstrosity of the sine wave, the feedback control can help squeeze out some of those resonant frequencies. And to top it off, we could modulate the feedback center frequency and the feedback time. And there's a whole lot more we can do to make this simple sine wave melody turn into a magnificent creature and roar its way into the mix. That's it for this video. See you on another one.